I bit the hot chip. Mum had a bad chest. I got a chip on the dish. The rich man is a bit posh. Ned is such a big fat man. I can chop up the big log. Pat has not got much cash. Tom got a gash on the chin. Ned got a punch on the chin. The man has a rash on his chin. Mum met Ned and had a chat. Pat put his lunch box in his bag. Tim can fix the bench in the shed. The man had a bad cut on his chin. The Frenchman and Pat had a chat. Chop up the log and put it in the shed.